Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain an interesting problem called sum of element whose frequency is divisible by k. In this problem, we are given an integer array num and an integer k. Our task is to return the sum of an element whose frequency is divisible by k. One important point is if an element's frequency is divisible by k, then we include that element in the sum exactly as many times as it appears. Now let's understand with an example. Suppose number suppose a number array 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and k is equal to 2. Now let's count the frequency of each element. 1 appears 1 time, 2 appears 2 times, 3 appears 4 times, and then on. Now we check the which frequency is divisible by k means 2. For example, here 1 is ignored, 2 is include, 4 is include. Now so 2 plus 2, 4, and 3 plus 4, 12. Finally, the sum becomes 16. So the output is 16. So now how we're going to solve this problem? We're gonna use HashMap or another map to store the frequency of every number, steps, transfers the array, count frequency of each element. If frequency is divisible, k and frequency number into the answer, return the final result. Now let's see the code. First, we are going to create a HashMap. The box should be integer. Okay. Mm, Now let's look through it. Now we are going to store in the map with the values and its frequency. So, and we are going to store and init and plus plus. Now, with the help of this, we are going to store the value with the frequency. Now let's create a variable, not sum. Now again, we are going to look through the hash map. Mm, Like, let's take a value and let's count. Now, if the count is divisible by k, then we are going to add the sum with the help with the number of times it appears. And we are going to return the sum. Now, as we can see, it's working fine and well. Let's submit the code and check if it's valid or not. As you see, it's working. Thanks. Let's meet in the next video.